In this video, we'll show you how to change the front differential fluid on your Chevy Silverado. You can find the right differential fluid on CarParts.com via the link in the description. For safety reasons, we strongly suggest watching our video on how to jack your Chevy Silverado safely. Lift the front and rear of your vehicle, allowing your Chevy Silverado to be level so that you can remove all of the fluid. Place a fluid collection tray under the differential to catch the differential fluid that will flow out. For this kind of operation, it is important to always start by unscrewing the filler hole plug, because if it remains stuck after draining the fluid, the vehicle will be immobilized. Unscrew the filler hole plug using a ratchet, an extender, and an 18mm socket. Start the process with the ratchet and finish it off by hand. Unscrew the drain plug using a ratchet and a 3/8" square socket. Start the process with the ratchet and finish it off by hand. Let the fluid run out for about 10 minutes. Then screw the plug back in. Start by hand, then finish it off using a torque wrench. For great content, our best price, and fast shipping, download the CarParts.com app now. Use brake cleaner and paper towels to clean up any fluid that may have leaked out. You can order the differential fluid used in the video on CarParts.com via the link in the description. Now you need to add fluid back into the differential. This step must be done with care and precision. Then, using an oil syringe or a bottle with a filling spout, fill the differential until the fluid overflows from the hole, indicating that you have added enough fluid to the differential. Now you can screw the filler cap back on. Finish tightening using a torque wrench. Clean up the fluid that overflowed the differential. Then you will be able to put the wheels back on your vehicle. Put your truck back on the ground. Operation complete.
Quality parts, priced right.